Are you tired of staring at your beautiful Samsung TV but feeling stuck with expensive cable bills or laggy apps that crash every 5 minutes? It is a total waste of high-end hardware when the software feels like it is stuck in the past. You want a smooth, cinematic experience that actually justifies that 4K display without costing you a fortune in monthly fees. Today, I am revealing the 10 best IPTV apps specifically for Samsung Smart TVs that will change how you watch television. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's get your Tizen OS upgraded right now. All channel links are given in the description below. Please check all links and try the working ones, as developers update these frequently. Number 1 is IPTV Smarters Pro. This is the most reliable app on the Samsung App Store because it is incredibly easy to navigate with your standard remote. It supports Extreme Codes API, which means you can log in with just a username and password instead of a massive URL. Number 2 is Smart IPTV. This is a classic choice for Samsung owners because it is extremely lightweight and focuses on performance. It is the practical pick if you want an app that opens instantly and handles thousands of channels without slowing down. Number 3 is SSIPTV. This app is completely free and allows you to upload your playlist directly via their website. Use this if you want a no-cost solution that doesn't require a complex setup process. Number 4 is OTT Player. This is a cloud-based player that lets you manage all your links on your computer and sync them to your Samsung TV. It is the best choice for users who want to organize their favorite channels without typing on a TV screen. Number 5 is Nanomid Player. This is a premium-feeling app that supports high bitrate 4K streaming beautifully. It is perfect if you have a top-tier Neo QLED and want the absolute best picture quality possible. Number 6 is Bay IPTV. It features a very modern Netflix-style layout that looks amazing on big screens. Use this if you prefer a visual interface with movie posters and detailed show descriptions. Number 7 is Net IPTV. This app is famous for its stability and very simple user interface. It is the smart choice for families who just want to click a channel and start watching without any confusing settings. Number 8 is Set IPTV. It offers a very fast zapping time, meaning you can switch between channels almost instantly. Use this if you hate waiting for streams to load when you are channel surfing. Number 9 is Kuzu IPTV. This is a newer player on the Tizen store that has been gaining hype for its clean design. It is highly optimized for the latest Samsung processors to ensure zero lag during live sports. Number 10 is Duplex Play. Although it requires a small activation fee, the features and organization are world-class. It is the go-to option if you want parental controls and a very organized favorites manager. Here's a secret bonus tip to stop buffering on your Samsung TV. Samsung TVs often prioritize Wi-Fi power saving, which can throttle your stream. Go into your TV settings and turn off Eco Mode and Power Saving Solution while streaming. This ensures your network card stays at full power for a 4K connection. Also, always use a solid VPN to keep your data private from your provider. Your Samsung TV is capable of so much more than basic cable. These 10 apps give you the flexibility to watch what you want at a fraction of the cost. If this guide helped you save money today, hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Vibes to master every piece of tech in your home. Comment below and let me know which app looks the best on your TV. Thanks for watching.